Okay, start.
Hello friends, welcome to day 2 of our cooking class, courtesy of Healing Fortress Africa. We have prepared our meals here. We are located at SDA Silver Springs, Mutungo Hill. And today we prepared brown rice. As you can remember, yesterday we mentioned that we're going to explain how to cook brown rice. What we basically did, we washed the brown rice, then we baked the brown rice. You can also roast on a pan, on a saucepan, and then once it has turned slightly golden brown, you cook it in enough water until it is soft. So this is just a way of garnishing we have done. And the next thing we've prepared here is a sweet potato hash. So we have sweet potatoes, we have red bell peppers, we have yellow bell peppers, we also have eggplants, and we've garnished with coriander. And we also have beans here. These are white beans that we've used for cooking. Yes, so that is what we have. We'll send the recipes to your emails for your trials at home. Here we have our mushroom curry, which you're going to eat with our rice. And the mushroom curry has mushrooms, it has kales, it has onions and tomatoes, and also garlic. Again, we're going to share the recipes in your emails, and we're welcoming you to enjoy. Tomorrow we'll be having also interesting things we'll be doing. We also made tofu, which you're going to make a recipe with tomorrow. And again, we are welcoming you for our cooking class sessions. Bye.
Bye.
Wow.
Wow.